In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Excel in Microsoft 365. Keeping Microsoft Excel up to date is important to ensure you have the latest features, performance improvements, and security updates. Updating Excel regularly helps you work efficiently and avoid potential issues with older versions. To start, open Excel on your computer. Click on the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the Backstage view where you can access Excel settings and account information. Next, click on Account in the left-hand menu. Here you will see information about your Office product, including the version you are currently using. Look for the Update Options button, usually located under the Product Information section. Click on Update Options, and from the drop-down menu, select Update Now. Excel will then check for available updates. If updates are found, they will be downloaded and installed automatically. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection and the size of the update. During the update, you may be prompted to close Excel or other Office applications. Make sure to save your work before continuing to avoid losing any unsaved data. Once the update is complete, you may need to restart Excel for the changes to take effect. If you prefer, you can also enable automatic updates so that Excel downloads and installs updates in the background without requiring manual intervention. To do this, go back to Update Options and select Enable Updates. This ensures that your Excel always stays up to date with the latest improvements. Regularly updating Microsoft Excel is an easy way to enhance your productivity and maintain a secure working environment. By following these steps, you can make sure that your Excel application is running smoothly and efficiently with all the newest features available. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.